Hello, Techie Tutor here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to make your Google Workspace more functional. I am logged into my Google account and I want to talk to you about these 9 dots here. Those are your Google apps, and if you click on them, you'll see all the apps available to you in your account once you have logged in. You can see I'm logged in. I suggest that you take some time to organize this in a way that will work for you by doing a hard press on the icon and dragging it where you would want it. So you can see right now I am doing my apps so that it makes more sense for me, which I'm determining by what I use when I do my work. And you can see now it is the way I want it. Now if I don't like something, I can always move it, and if something is just in the way and I don't use it, I can click on it and move it down to the bottom and I won't see it anymore. So I suggest you take some time to think about how those apps will work for you and organize them here so that you can have a more functional workspace in Google and in your Gmail account as well. I hope you've learned something from this video. Please press the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.